Hey friends, if you wish to download the latest NVIDIA drivers for your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. Now, here's the best way. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Then expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the NVIDIA GeForce drivers and select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. This is how you will update the drivers when you have a local NVIDIA graphics card. And you can also go to the NVIDIA drivers download website. Okay. And then you can download the official drivers from here. You will just have to select the correct series. Okay. And then the correct product, then your Windows system, and click on search, and then download these drivers, and then click on download here, and then click on open. Now I won't click on open, otherwise it will replace the existing drivers, but you can click on open to install the drivers on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.